Hey guys, just wanted to start this video off with a little bit of a background of just what's going on. We're now looking, this is the next day after the hunt. Central New York, September 1st, opener for resident goose season. No plugs, 15 birds. It's a fun season. I'm looking forward to the next couple hunts, but for this one, going into it, got permission about, it's close to 2 weeks now. Got permission on a field. We'd been watching it. There was 250 plus birds in it, which is pretty heavy for September around here, at least for my area, you know. Usually never really see any feeds get bigger than 100 for openers, so this one was really good. Watched it for a whole week. There's a group of 6 of us. We just rotated checking the field every day. And the last few days before the season opened, going into the weekend, Saturday morning, only had 80 birds in our field. That night, 50. So I'm like, we're all thinking to ourselves, oh man, we're screwed. Check Sunday morning, 110 birds showed up. So we're like, okay, looking good again. Finally, we just said, screw it, we're going to hunt it. And today we hunted it, and you'll see the results. Don't want to get too crazy, but I'm gonna play a couple clips and then show some pictures, and I'll do a little outro, so enjoy.
That one got out?
2 of them.
I shot it 3 times.
I shot 1. Got him!
I'll take care of it, boys. Don't worry.
Get him! Nice shooting, boys! We rained them! Rained them, baby!
Alrighty, that's all the videos I got, but I'll do better about this week, about getting more videos, get some more interviews. I want to do some pre-hunt videos and get some good laughs from a couple of the boys that are pretty funny. The videos that I did get, I got to give a big shout out to Sam Byer. I'll leave his Instagram right above me. He posts a lot of cool shit, loves a big camera. I give him a lot of respect because he doesn't pick up the gun a whole lot because he wants to get those big groups on camera, and I really appreciate that. So I just got to shout him out. Shout out all the boys, John Lakota, Chubbs, Austin Brunel, Scotty O, Scotty Oxner, and Nick Pinkney. Had a blast this week. It's September 2nd. Going to start scouting tomorrow for this weekend. Looking forward to the season ahead of us, and stay tuned for a lot more. See ya.